Okay, so tell me, Jay, what's the plan here? What's the upgrade you want on your quad?
A hitch.
And where did we decide the hitch is gonna go?
Right there.
So we're gonna bolt the hitch to there. What design did we come up with?
Bending metal.
Bending metal. Okay, grab it.
It's hot. Hot. It's hot. It's warm at least. Warm at least.
2 3/8 holes, 1/2 inch hole.
Daddy, one day can you get another one of those? One day can you get another one of those?
So pretty much we're just gonna bolt it to this back chunk of the frame here, and it's gonna have a nice little hitch.
Okay.
Let's bolt it on. There you go. What do you think of your hitch?
Good.
Should we hook it up to a trailer?
Yeah.
Should we see how much you can tow?
Yeah.
How much do you think it's gonna be? Let's go find out.
Okay.
Okay, get this bad boy fired up. Check the horn. Are y'all hooked up and ready to go? I don't know what the towing capacity is going to be on this thing, but let's find out. Let's go haul something. Sure. Okay, let's see if it tows. Give her! Made it!